Let's move on to an exercise called Qi massage, where we activate the Qi within the body, that life force energy that runs through all of the pathways, the meridians in the body. Let's start by tapping on your chest. Tapping up and down on your chest. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good, and then you're gonna bring the hand to the corner of the chest and tap right below your collarbone again. Again, those lung 1 points and lung 2, also referred to as the letting go point. And then tap down the inside of your arm along the yin meridians of your arm. And then if you turn the palm over, you tap on the back of the arm, the yang meridians of your arm going all the way up to your shoulder. And again, we go down with the yin meridians and then up with the yang meridians. Let's do that one more time on this arm and then up the back of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the other side. And then we tap down the inside of the arm and then up the back of the arm. Tapping with the palm of the hand at a pressure that's comfortable for you. Right. Let's tap on your chest again. And then with the palms of your hand, just wipe down the chest, sending the energy down towards the belly. And if you just take a moment to just observe the energy that's circulating through your upper body, along those yin meridians and those yang meridians of your arms, and just feel that tingling sensation. Feel the energy moving and circulating through you. Activated life force energy. Now make soft fists and bring the hands to the lower back, and then you're going to tap your lower back, going all the way down to your tailbone. Tapping along the urinary bladder meridian, low back. That meridian, that organ is paired with the kidneys, which run up the front of the body. Urinary bladder is the yang meridian on the yang surface of your body. And then with the palms of your hands, you're going to slap down from your lower back all the way down the backs of the legs and a little bit to the sides for those yang meridians. And then tap up the front of the legs to the hips. And then wrap around to your lower back again. And as you go over, you're stretching out those meridians and then coming up. So when we stretch the hamstrings, the hips, it tends to benefit the lower back. We tend to hold a lot of tension and tightness in the hamstrings, hips, and lower back. Let's do that one more time because it just felt so good. And then coming all the way up. And again, let's just close the eyes. Take a moment to observe the energy circulating through the lower half of the body, through the lower back, legs. We are more than our physical bodies. We are energy. We are vibration. We are light. Take a moment to appreciate that. The next thing we're going to do is an exercise that blends the Qi ball exercise as well as an arm spiral and a head turn, so that we're going to open up the neck, shoulders, and upper back as well as the forearms and the hands. So let's start by standing in this stance with soft knees, and you're just going to bring the hands towards one another about the level of the belly, the lower dantian, this energy center in the body. And allow your fingers to curl slightly as if you're holding a ball of energy. And I want you to sense the energy between the hands, including just through the fingertips too. So energy from one fingertip to the next. You can play with this energy by drawing the hands closer together. And then pulling the hands gently apart. So again, just playing with this pulling and stretching of this magnetic taffy that's between your hands. And if you don't feel anything yet at this moment, that's okay. This is a very subtle exercise, and sometimes it just takes time to develop a sensitivity to this energy that moves through the hands. Now from here, you're going to take the arms out to the sides. So the arms will be low along the sides of the body, but slightly out. And then you're going to spiral the forearms and hands. Feel the shoulders drop down. And then from here, you're going to turn your head to your right and then look slightly up at a 45-degree angle. And feel that nice stretch through the neck, through the arms and the hands. Good. Coming back, facing forward with the gaze. And bringing the hands back to that chi ball. Take a deep breath. Exhale, arms open out. Spiral, looking to your left. Feel that nice stretch on the opposite side of the neck. And again, coming back to the center. And let's just play with that chi ball a little bit here. Again, pulling on that magnetic taffy. And just notice if you sense a different awareness between the hands, the energy between the hands. When we move the body, when we connect to the breath, and when we focus the mind, new things that we might not have been aware of a moment ago suddenly step into view. Take a deep breath. Arms open out. Spiral. Exhale. Coming back. Deep breath. And exhale. And coming back to the center. We're going to do that one more time, but I want to do it with a bit more of attention and focus on this area of the body, the lower dantian. Allow this ball of energy that's between the hands, mirror this ball of energy that's within us. So as we feel the hands expand apart, imagine the ball of energy within your lower dantian in your belly expanding too, and then contracting. So now let's open the arms, exhale, look over the shoulder. Feel that nice expansion. And then return. And let's do that again, looking and rotating to the other side. And then relax the arms.